Look at this! This Delmonico steak came out juicy, flavorful, and restaurant-style quality. Wait until you see how easy it was to make. Starting with this raw meat. Look how thick and rich this cut of meat looks. In a pan, pour some olive oil and let it heat up. Now, lay the steaks in gently. Make sure the oil is not too hot to avoid oil splash. Listen to that sizzle. That sound means flavor is starting. Season the first side of the steaks with salt and pepper. Be generous with your seasoning. Sometimes just the right amount of salt makes food taste really good. Let the steaks cook for a couple of minutes. Don't move them too early. Let the crust build. This is how you get that beautiful sear. After letting the steak cook on one side for a couple of minutes, flip them. Once you have flipped the steaks, season the other side with salt and pepper the same way you did the first side. When it comes to steaks, I like to be generous with my seasoning because I want the steaks to absorb all the flavor. I let this side cook for a couple of minutes as well. I like my steak well done. Another thing is the cooking duration of the steaks depend on its thickness. The steaks have been cooking for a couple of minutes. Now it's time to add garlic and onions. This is where good steaks become unforgettable because of the flavor garlic and onion bring. Let garlic and onion bring up their flavor. In the meantime, also add parsley and rosemary. They add an incredible aroma to the steaks. One thing that I usually do while cooking steak is that I set the steaks on top of the onions and let it soak up every bit of flavor. This way, I make sure I will have a very juicy and tender steak filled up with flavor. And just like that, our steak is done right and ready. The onions are well done as well. They are translucent and well seasoned. When it comes to cooking steak, everyone has a different taste. You might like yours medium rare or rare, but I like mine well done. So cook your steak based on your liking. Look at that. It looks very delicious. Now let's taste it and see how we did with our cooking. The steak is very tender, and the aroma is incredible. This steak is amazing! Next time you buy a Delmonico steak, try cooking it the way we did today and let me know how yours turned out. I am sure you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes. I post every day. Let's grow this community together. In the meantime, happy cooking! See you in the next video.